Hi guys, welcome back to your weekly dose of life-work balance. In today's video, let's imagine we are in a beautiful forest and we get the amazing benefits of spending time in nature. My name is Sabrina Cadini. I'm your holistic precision life coach and the creator of the life-work balance system, helping you live and work better by prioritizing yourself with customized lifestyle changes. If you'd like to learn more, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the bell to receive notifications every time I have new content for you. In ancient times, our ancestors used to live a very simple life. They lived in rhythm with the sun and nature. They would hunt and gather food and tend to other necessities of life that would take them a few hours a day. That would leave them enough time to relax, socialize, and rest. Times are certainly different. We don't live in a cave anymore. We live in a technology-driven era where everything happens in a super fast, super efficient, and super productive way. Our environment has changed, but our genes and biochemistry have not. We still depend on the sun and nature to keep us healthy and happy. Unfortunately, we have forgotten to spend time in nature that is so beneficial to us. Instead, we spend the entire day in front of screens, whether at work, on the computer, or at home, watching TV, playing video games, chatting with friends, or scrolling on social media. Some studies indicate that the average American stares at a screen for over 10 hours each day. This is insane and detrimental to our health, both physically and mentally. Many of you might not realize the amazing benefits of spending time in nature. It helps reduce blood pressure, heart rate, muscle tension, improve lung health, lower stress levels. You become more mindful, more present. You feel more peaceful. Your mood improves. You boost your positivity, creativity, and at the same time, you improve your concentration, cognitive function, and memory. So when you go back to work, you will be more productive. I recently read a study that measured how exposure to urban and natural environments affects mental health and the brain, since living in cities is associated with an increased risk for mental disorders. And the results showed decreased activity in the amygdala after a walk in nature. As a refresher, the amygdala is the part of our brain primarily involved in emotion, memory, and the fight or flight response. I'll share the link to the study for you to check it out if you're interested in the description box below. I also talked about a cool thing called optic flow in episode 36 of this series. You'll find the video here where we feel calmer and more relaxed when we walk because the brain shuts down those circuits that are responsible for stress and anxiety. And if you do this in nature, the benefits are amplified. Ideally, you want to spend time in nature at least 1 to 2 hours each week, but the more the better if you can. If you live close to a park or in a neighborhood with hiking trails, that would be perfect. You can go out for a walk and get your daily dose of sunlight in the morning. That's what I do every day. I get energized and filled with lots of ideas. However, if you don't live in an area with nature around you, try to find a place with, I don't know, some trees or plants and flowers for your work breaks. If that's also not possible, think about spending time in nature during the weekend, playing your favorite sport or having a picnic with friends and family. As an alternative, you can watch the sunrise or the sunset, listen to birds chirping out of your window, do some gardening, or spend a day at the beach in order to honor your connection with nature. Even only viewing scenes of nature can have cognitive benefits. Think about it. This is the foundation of ecotherapy or nature therapy. Our well-being is connected to the well-being of our planet. And when we nurture this relationship with nature, we can maintain an optimal physical and mental well-being. So remember, The more time you spend connected to nature, the healthier you will be. Not sure what to do in nature? Well, there are plenty of options, and you can be as creative as you'd like. Here are my tips for you today. Number one, exercise. I mentioned going for a walk daily or play sports. And you can also work out in nature instead of being indoors, or you can jog, go cycling, practice yoga. Exercising in nature can provide a lot of variety between scenery and different types of ground for better results. Tip number two, grounding. This sounds weird, but it's so beneficial. Grounding is simply walking barefoot on the earth soil, dirt, grass, sand, etc. When you do that, your body absorbs free ions from the surface of the earth, which act as antioxidants, improving sleep, tissue and cell repair, energy levels, blood flow, and electrical activity in the brain. Number three, forest bathing. This is a Japanese practice to relax the mind, revitalize the body, and rediscover yourself. It sounds very difficult, but it's just about immersing yourself in nature in a mindful way and using your senses. You don't really have to be in a forest. You can be at a park close to your home or office, a green area at your local shopping center, or even your own backyard. You use the sense of sight to pay attention to what's around you. Beautiful flowers, the color of the leaves, maybe a squirrel running away. You use your sense of hearing to hear the sounds of ocean waves or birds. You use your sense of touch by holding a leaf in your hands or touching the grass. Your sense of smell will help you smell a plant or a flower or the smell of trees if you are in a real forest. And then you can taste the snow falling down if you are out on a winter day. Tip number four, meditate or journal. This is pretty straightforward. Find a quiet place in nature where you can sit down and look inward, meditating. Or bring your journal book and a pen and reflect about those blessed moments where the world stops and you are one with nature. If you are struggling to make time for yourself during your busy day and stay productive at the same time, you might consider working with me. My signature coaching program, Life Work Balance, helps you master goals of any type, whether they are related to your personal life or your career, helping you master movement, nutrition, sleep, stress, anxiety, and burnout, self-care, and time management. Life-work balance combines epigenetics with neuroscience, positive psychology, and chronobiology, allowing you to boost your energy and focus and increase your productivity and performance while you optimize your well-being. This is a win-win situation. During the program, I will help you create customized habits and maintain momentum so that you can achieve your goals better and faster. You can find more information about Life for Balance in the info box below, and you can always schedule a complimentary clarity call with me to discuss more in detail and see if the program is right for you. I'll see you in episode 43 of your weekly dose of Life Work Balance next week, where we'll go back to the rest pillar and we'll take a look at NSDR, or non-sleep deep rest. And I'll share ways to help you achieve calm through mental focus. If you liked this video and you want to see more, make sure you share it with all of your friends, give it thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell so you'll get notified when I have new video content. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to live life fully. See you soon.